Alright, we're back here at the Reality Workshop where the work is real. Right there, I got the rear end to turn over. I took the drum and beat them all. You see that 1141 right there. If you divide 41 by 11, it comes out to a 372, which basically is a General Motors 373. It's actually 372.7, so they rounded up. The other way of doing it is I'll make me a mark, and I'm going to count each one of these rings. This is called the ring gear, and down off in there is the pinion, and I'll make a mark on the flat side of that pinion. There's the pinion gear. I'll make a mark there, and then I'll count those. So there should be 11 on the pinion and 41 on the ring. I always double check them, make sure. Somebody might have done something. You never know what anybody get, you don't know. So I might have a crazy pinion and something got a totally different deal going. But whoever had the rear end put new shoes on it. New shoes, and looks like new adjusters. But anyhow, all that's gonna go. I'll get all new spring kits. All this will be changed out. The drums, probably get new drums. They actually make one that's it's got a 3-inch shoe. This has got like a 2-inch shoe for a half ton. I can probably do 2 3/4 shoe, get an order a set of drums for it, make a wider back set back here. Now that's probably what I'll wind up doing later. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you that. So the ADT that we found on the tube coincides with what's in the ring and pinion on the ring gear anyway. So I'll count all that again, double check it. And the next thing I got to do is I got to measure from inside the backing plate to inside this backing plate, and then crawl up underneath the old truck and measure that and make sure these rear ends are the same width, because they did come out with different widths. Yeah, I should have done that probably before I bought the rear end. You are correct. Whoever just said that, yes, probably should have done that. But I didn't. So I'm going to do it now. I'm taking a chance on it's the right width. If not, then oops. So that'll probably be it for the day. It's getting cold. I'm going to cover it back up and go in the house and get on the Xbox. So until the next video.